Understanding the phrase, not give a toss. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English idiom, not give a toss. This phrase can be quite puzzling for non-native speakers, so let's explore what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, not give a toss, is a colloquial expression originating from the UK. It's used to convey a strong sense of indifference or lack of concern about something. When someone says they don't give a toss, it means they really don't care about the subject at hand. It's important to note that this phrase is informal and can be seen as a bit rude or blunt, so it's best used in casual settings among friends or peers. Now, let's look at how this phrase can be used in everyday conversation. Imagine your friend is worried about what others think of their outfit. You might hear, "Honestly, I don't give a toss about what they think. I wear what makes me happy." This shows a personal disregard for others' opinions on a matter that affects the speaker directly. Like many idiomatic expressions, not give a toss has some variations. You might hear, not give a hoot, not give a damn. These phrases convey the same sense of indifference, although, not give a damn is a bit stronger and more informal. To better understand this phrase, try creating sentences of your own. Think of situations where you might express indifference and use, not give a toss in those scenarios. Remember, the context should be informal. And that's a wrap on, not give a toss. Remember, while it's a useful expression, it's best reserved for casual, informal situations. We hope this video has been insightful and adds a bit of flair to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.